talk me, I talk who. Anima Alobros, the Alobros International. Even the dog bear in Wesove. His side dog is black. Is black to boy. You are promoter artist. The affair. Now we come where the Alobros are dear another way to sing with the nena. Now we tell you or we jam arema. Or one warrior is Black TV. If I don't have me. If you don't know some more, can you work at the risi? What talk about Mosi? About talk me. ni e o. Wala ọba jọ́nà náà sì máa bọ̀ o. Ẹgbẹ́ ló wọ ìwà gbàgbé. Ọmọ ọ̀sùn wà bọ̀. Ọmọ mùrù wò yìí. Ọmọ ìfẹ́ náà gbàgbé. Wọ̀yà fi ẹgbẹ́ mi ní ọ̀fẹ́ ọdún ní ẹ̀dẹ́ yàgbá. Abẹ́gbẹ́sẹ̀ wọ́n wù so ẹ̀kú mi. Àdìgbà ọlọ́gbà máa ń yòkó ní ẹ̀rẹ̀ àbẹ́rí ọ̀nà. Ọgọ́dẹ yeye. The Alobros International. Wagumegogo, wagumegogo. Wagumegogo, wagele gumegogo. Iya ya no kwamego sanera mesieme. Iya ya no kwameo. Osieme. Oh. Wagumegogo, wagele dogumegogo. Wagumegogo, lamogwa o. Ogogo no, alamogwa. Ogogo lamogwa o. Ogogo lamogwa o. Amano sawese na bwegi sene kanari ekmome. Amano sawese na demino siene kanari ekmome o. Ena ya siene ani na gele dokmome o. Uwese baba vese na nuwe wa ume. Wagumegogo. Ei meje iya ya no kwame o osasiere o kala iya ya no kwame o iya ya no kwame je osanera me go seme osanera go seme oh iya ya no kwame o no kwame o no gi kwame no kwame o no gi kwame o no kwame o no gi kwame o no gi kwame o no gi gele wa kwame oh no gi gele wa kwame o oseme osaseme aba allo bros ibe mu kurene imu kuloreniere imu kuloreniere imu kuloreniere imu kuloreniere oh why wa wese okay. Gallo Bros, Gallo Bros, Gallo Bros, Gallo Bros, il veut me courir, né? Il a y a comme baba, oh, my son. Amase o baba gaina reo, mia come baba. Amase o baba gaina reo, amase o baba gaina reo. Iga mia come baba. Amase baba gaina reo. Devinosia, digala come oh, digala come oh, digala come oh, digala come oh. Ije dogume come obame oh. Ije dogume come obame, dogume come obame oh, dogume come obame, dogume come obame, dogume come obame, dogume come obame oh. Ije dogume come amase. Hey, amase. Okay, let me go. Hey. Allez, bye. On est à ta service, c'est le saoumé. Il vient de nous hommes. Waya waweseo. Et que nous voyons ça, que nous voyons mais. Au Safia Kouaya. Oh, bah la toque, Oje, qui t'a soumé. Ouais, c'est quelque chose que nous. Oje, t'a soumé. Ouais, c'est. Oje, il t'a soumé. Ouais, c'est quelque chose que nous. Thank you.
Welcome to the show. I remain your humble boy, your favorite boy, your brother, his son, his Black TV. I welcome you, my brother.
Good afternoon, sir.
Can you tell our viewers your name?
My name is Aloha. Okay. In Norense Sylvester. Where we started from the church. We started from the church choir. We grew from there. Before I started my band. So that is how we started anyway. I don't really have a master, but I emulate so many, I emulate so many people, like Vero, Naomi, Pama, and the rest, Alaska, so many musicians anyway. That is how we started.
Yeah, that's good. So, my brother, can you tell our viewers how long you have been in this music industry?
I can easily say that I played my first album 2005. Yes, that's the time I really started. 2005, that is when I played my first album at Righteous Man Studio, Boundary Road. I still remember, yes.
And also our viewers would like to know where you came from. I mean your village, your hometown.
Well, I'm a typical Benima.
Okay.
I grew up. Yeah. Yes. I'm a typical Benin man. We do pataki. Hey, me wahi. You understand? So, iye kodion. Hey, rimekeri. Boko niyo, ovi boko niyo me wahi. So, ivani ramekeri. Orion makeri.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. If you are being called upon to perform a social dance, are you available?
Very, very available. Very, very available. I think we have been doing that since around 2005.
Okay.
Yeah, Mawayeko Kakabo. Yes.
That's true.
Yes.
So, my good superstar, how did you see this show, Talent Hunt?
This talent hunt, I can say it's a very good one. It's a good one. Ace Black, I really commend you. I give you kudos. You really tried. You tried. And you see, there are some people that are good in music, but nobody to showcase them to the world.
Yeah.
But thank God that you stand in the gap to showcase these people to the world.
Yeah.
Put more effort
Yeah.
to still make the show better
Okay.
than this, what we have now.
Okay.
You are really trying, my brother. Mr. Ace Black.
He said, you don't know some more. You people have heard from the horse's mouth. And I would like to thank my father and his wife, a man who has been a backbone to me, a man who always encouraged me, a man who always called me on phone and said, Ace Black, you are creative. Just go on with this thing. I'm always with you. It's no other person than Ambassador Nosa Igariwa, MD, N&B Italian Hotel. Also to his own wife, they said in every successful man there is a woman.
Is a woman.
So
Woman must be there.
also respect and I appreciate mommy for your support. You know, anytime I upload something on YouTube, she will call me and say, "Black, okay, let's do it this way. Let's do it this way to make it more enjoyable and more reliable." Mommy, I say God bless you. She's not that person than Mrs. B. Igariwa, aka Mama Success One of the Universe.
So,
And also president of Blessed Mothers Club of Germany International.
don't be lie.
Mommy, we say God bless you.
God bless you, man.
Where we are talking from is N&B Italian Hotel. In case you are looking for a place to lodge, a place to relax, a place to feel at home, please, you will see our number on the screen. You can call me, I can book a room for you for reservation. And as you do, God bless you. Thank you for watching this show. See you next week. God bless you.